Hi, welcome to AguilaVision here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. My name is Dr. Alberto Camacho. We are a private optometric practice with a privately owned optical. We can go get some nice Hoya recharge glasses. We are a primary care optometry practice specializing in contact lens, including specialty contacts, pre and post surgical operations, as well as the management of glaucoma. We have two of these here with our office hours of Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday 10 to 2. So this policy and procedure manual is essential to the efficient operation of our optometric practice. Its purpose is to serve as a training and orientation guide for our new employees, as well as reference for our current employees, as well as serve as a risk management tool that lowers liability exposure in our office. Our philosophy is one of continuous improvement. So we expect to make frequent changes to this lab manual as we continuously implement new techniques that will help us run our office more efficiently. With that said, we reserve the right to update our manual as we need. And you will be held responsible for knowing all of these new changes, but we will give you plenty of time to adapt and implement these changes into your daily routine. So first we're going to start off with employee standards. So we expect everyone to show up on time and be ready, set up, ready to go by the time the first patient comes. We do realize that emergencies happen and things that are out of our control can come up. So just let any and all affected parties know that we can manage the time until you get here. But any misuse of this policy will be handled accordingly by our office manager as well as our doctors. We do not tolerate harassment of any kind here in our office, and it will be dealt with swiftly and accordingly. Our dress code. So staff members must follow the designated dress code outline, as outlined in the dress code section of our manual. Any use of personal electronic devices is prohibited during the working hours, but if something is happening, let us know and we will be glad to work with you there. AguilaVision properties like our email servers, our computers, EMRs, phones should be strictly used for conducting official business. So next we'll talk about our staff, and then after that we'll do our work schedule. So our staff, we are an equal opportunity employer. We have, like I mentioned earlier, our two doctors. We have 3 administrative assistants up at the front. We have 4 technicians and 2 certified opticians. So our 4 technicians are going to be cross-trained in the optical as well as scheduling patients. That way, if there's any need for any additional assistance in the optical, we fully expect our technicians to jump in and give us a hand. So our employee schedule is done 3 weeks in advance and is pretty much set in stone. So if you need time off, please plan accordingly and let us know with plenty of time in advance. We will have weekly staff meetings, but they kind of alternate between each of the 3 groups. National holidays will obviously be observed and reflected in the schedule. Saturdays will be worked by everyone and done in rotations. That way one person doesn't get stuck working every Saturday. But you guys can deal with that and figure out who works which Saturday. That's it for now. Thank you.